Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up automated recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. Automated recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online is going to save you time and ensure that you never miss billing your customers for repeat services or products. Here's how to set it up. So the first step is to go to the recurring transactions page. Just log into your QuickBooks Online account and then click the gear icon in the top right corner. On the list, you're going to select recurring transactions. Step 2 is to create a new recurring invoice. Just click the green new button in the top right, and then in the transactions type drop down menu, you're going to select invoice. Once that's done, click OK. Next is to customize the recurring template. So the template name, you're going to give your recurring invoice a description, and then you're going to select the type. You can select one of these following, could be scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. Now for customer, you're going to choose the customer who is going to receive the recurring invoice. Next step is to set the billing schedule. So you can set it the interval. You're going to choose how often the invoice should repeat, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. You're going to also set the start date as well as the end date. Now the next step is to enter invoice details. So fill in the product or service, the quantity, and of course the rate. Add any necessary taxes or discounts and include payment terms. Next step is to save the recurring invoice. So review the information for accuracy and then click Save Templates. QuickBooks will now automatically create and send invoices according to your set schedule. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.